Good morning, students. So here is our EVS book. So today we have started our third chapter, Unit 2, My Surroundings. Chapter name, Our Occupation. Okay. So any activity that we do and get money in return is called occupation. Occupation's meaning is here any activity that we do and get money in return. It is called occupation. We need money to fulfill our basic needs of life. हमारी लाइफ के बेसिक नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? मनी. सो वी नीड टू चूज एन ऑक्यूपेशन. सो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? ऑक्यूपेशन. डिफरेंट पीपल डू different kinds of work depending upon their interest, education, needs, skills, etc. So different people do different kinds of work. Since we all are different, our needs and skills are also different. We all cannot do same type of job. So we all are different. Our needs are different. So we all cannot do the same type of job. This results in a variety of jobs done and offered. Some of the occupations are as follows. So here is some of occupation are there. First is farming. Farming is the process that includes plantation of crops and grains in an area of land that is used for agriculture process. So farming means खेती. सो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? क्रॉप्स प्लांटेशन करते हैं. ओके. द क्रॉप्स एंड ग्रेन ग्रोन आर यूज फॉर ऑक्यूपेशन एज वेल एज अर्निंग मनी. सो क्रॉप्स एंड ग्रेन्स ग्रोन आर यूज फॉर consumptions as well as earning money. Since India is a country where a large number of population live in villages. So इंडिया में हम कहाँ रहते हैं? इंडिया में रहते हैं. तो हमारी लार्ज जो पॉपुलेशन है, बहुत सारे ज़्यादा लोग हैं, वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? विलेज में रहते हैं. फार्मिंग इज़ द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन विलेज. जो विलेज में पीपल रहते हैं उनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन क्या रहता है? फार्मिंग. फार्मिंग कंट्रीब्यूट्स द मैक्सिमम इंडियाज income. It is the backbone sector of India. So India's main occupation is farming. So farming is the backbone sector of India. Now next is poultry farming. Poultry farming is the raising of domesticated birds such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, etc. It is practiced with the purpose of making profits. Poultry farming. So here is the picture of poultry farming. It is practiced with the purpose of making profits. It is done by big farms. The animals and their products are used for commercial purpose. The main animal being chicken and their products eggs. So poultry farm में कौन कौन से एनिमल रहते हैं? बर्ड्स रहते हैं. बर्ड्स सच एज चिकन, डक्स एंड टर्कीज. So the main animal being chicken and their products eggs. Besides these, cattle, cows, buffaloes and bullocks are also kept by the farmers for various purposes. So farmers दूसरे एनिमल भी पालते हैं, cows, buffaloes and bullocks. Cows and buffaloes provide us milk. Bullocks are used for plowing the fields and drawing the carts. So next is dairying. So first farming, poultry farming and dairying. Dairying includes the breeding, raising and utilization of dairy animals. For the production of dairy products, it includes the production of milk and milk products. Products like butter, ghee, cheese are produced in this sector. Mainly cows and buffaloes are used for milk for human consumption. So dairies में क्या करते हैं? मिल्क्स एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट लाइक बटर, घी, चीज, that product are produced in this sector. Okay. Now next is fishing. Fishing includes raising or harvesting of fish. People involved in catching fish or raising fish through fish farming are included in this sector. So fishing में क्या करते हैं? People involved in catching fish. Fish farming is also called aquaculture. It is an important occupation of people living in coastal areas. कोस्टल एरियाज जो दरिया की किनारे पे रहते हैं वो पीपल, ये उनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन है। ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स फिशरी कलेक्शन इज डन फ्रॉम ओशंस एंड सीज देन इन लैंड वाटर्स। फिश इज ईटन एज फूड एंड यूज फॉर मेकिंग ऑयल, मेडिसिन एक्सेट्रा। सो फिश कौन से काम में आते हैं? लोग उसको फूड की तरह लेते हैं, उसमें से ऑयल बनता है और मेडिसिन भी बनती है। सो नेक्स्ट इज लंबरिंग, वी सी इट इन our next video. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.